Good morning, universe. I hope everyone is doing just fine. Today is a bright Sunday morning, and I'm at this beautiful Pawna Lake that you see in the background. So, last night it rained, and all the other activities got cancelled, especially the DJ night and outdoor games, etc. The mood was somber, pretty much gloomy, but today is just another day. Yesterday night the weather played a spoiled sport, but hopefully today it can make it up, and we'll try to do some activities in the morning. So at Pawna there are different campsites. So this is our campsite on the top, and there are some different campsites down over there and some campsites over there, some tents over there as well. So within the periphery of about 5 to 10 kilometers, this lake is huge. So within the periphery there are different campsites, so you can look out for different campsite names on Insta or YouTube or Facebook, and you'll find plenty of them. So usually the check-in time is at about 4 p.m. and the checkout is at 11 o'clock. So the different activities that are there out besides this lake is boating. There will be a speedboat, so hopefully we should be able to catch some action out over here. So let me quickly show you how the campsite looks like in the morning. Let's go. So these are the two tents which are allocated to us. They are just besides this beautiful lake. Say good morning to Sachin.
Hi, good morning.
Chetan.
Morning.
Siddhesh.
Good morning.
Good morning, fellas. So I am at this Lohagarh resort, and we have come over here for some boating. But apart from boating, they have horse riding as well. The entrance charge is about 50 bucks. That's just the entrance charge. Uh, Horse riding is separate, speedboat charges are separate, and just normal boating is separate. So let's go.